Hey, I'm Tom Andrews, and I'm attending the National Innovation Academy, class number 5 at Polk State College. And we have the privilege of having Major General John Gronsky present on leadership, servant leadership. And some key takeaways that I've gotten from this are opportunities to meet with my team. I may have a perception of myself, but what does my team perceive me as a leader? And sitting down and talking with them and having them write out some of what they believe my core values are based on my behavior as opposed to just what I've said with my words. And I think that will help build credibility with my team and longevity with my team. And that's one of the key takeaways. Although there's many, this is an immersive class. It is an excellent class, and I would recommend it strongly for anybody that's in leadership.
Hello, everyone. This is John Gronsky. I love to hear those positive and strong endorsements about my Iron-Sharpened Leadership and Resiliency workshop, like the one you just heard from Tom. You know, this workshop is based on my leadership philosophy of character, leader competence, and resilience. And I conduct these workshops all over the country. And they're completely scalable. It could go anywhere from a 1-hour workshop or 45-minute keynote to a 2-day workshop. I would love to conduct this workshop for you and your organization. On the next slide, you're going to see my email address and my website address. Please reach out to me, drop me an email. I would love to conduct the Iron-Sharpened Leadership and Resiliency workshop for your organization and your team. Hey, this is John Gronsky. Thank you for listening. And remember, iron sharpens iron.